there were 28% more new contracts this report than last. Falling mortgage rates have brought more buyers into the market. It's Friday, October 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Rates have fallen from around 6.8% at the beginning of the summer to between 6.25% and 6.35% in recent weeks. Despite the uptick in sales last month, year-to-date sales activity is still tracking slightly below last year as affordability challenges continue to hold back some buyers. Home prices in many areas are not rising as quickly, but overall it still appears that Maryland is a seller's market depending on where the property is based. The federal shutdown is now at 25 days and most workers have lost at least one paycheck so far. Some in the industry are predicting more homes coming to the market the longer the shutdown lasts. However, my recommendation for those who do not have an extended household cushion fund is to communicate with the lender first to avoid having to sell the home or go into foreclosure. Once displaced, the reality is that these individuals would have to find another home and very well could see housing costs higher than the existing mortgage payment, unless plans are to move to a cheaper area or in with relatives or friends to save money. House hacking is another option to offset some housing costs. New resale inventory rose 26% to 2,484 units at a median $425,000. 1,062 homes are poised to come soon, another decrease from last report of 13.37%. Homes going under contract increased 8.3% this report to 1,623 units at a median $425,000. These went under contract in 24 days, unchanged from last report. 1,375 units sold in 18 days at 98.8% list-to-sold ratio at a $430,000 median sold price. Rental properties available rose 2.2% to 3,798 units and remaining at a median $2,600 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.